Bleach is used in all kinds of products around the house, and today I want to talk to you about bleach poisoning in dogs and what emergency action you should take if your dog drinks bleach. Hi, I'm Dr. Alex from ourpetshealth.com, where my aim is to help you and your pet to live a healthier and happier life. So make sure you're subscribed if that's something you're interested in. Now, bleach is an alkaline or a base and contains something called sodium hypochlorite. A normal household cleaner bleach is a pH, so that's a measure of its acidity. It has a pH of 11. Now, if we're thinking about agricultural bleach or farm bleach or professional cleaning bleach, then that actually is over 10 times as strong and has a pH of about 12 to 12.5. And you can also get non-chlorine bleach, which actually contains hydrogen peroxide. And while that's an irritant, it's not nearly as dangerous as proper bleach. So the big factor to consider if your dog drinks bleach is just how dilute it is. So a really dilute household bleach is probably going to be irritant but may not be that dangerous, whereas if your dog gets into a really concentrated bleach, undiluted bleach, especially if that is a farm or a professional cleaning bleach, then the danger is much more real and you're going to need to take immediate action. The big danger is because of the burning effect of the bleach. So you're going to get burning to your dog's lips, to their mouth, to their tongue, and all the way down their esophagus and into their stomach. That burning can be really, really severe, and it can even cause holes to be formed in the esophagus or the stomach, really nasty ulcers that then perforate. So as well as that being a problem with severe bleach poisoning, what can happen is the kidneys can fail, your dog will start vomiting, they can get something called aspiration pneumonia, where they actually inhale that vomit, and that can be fatal in itself. And ultimately, a dog who swallows undiluted, concentrated bleach is in a really bad way, and the prognosis is going to be poor in many cases. If instead though they drink just a little bit of dilute bleach or non-chlorine bleach, then the chances are it's just going to cause a little bit of irritation in their stomach as well as their mouth. That's going to cause drooling, they might become a little bit quiet, and it can cause retching and vomiting as well. That typically will only last for about 30 to 45 minutes, and the signs will then quickly pass. Of course, if there's any doubt as to what is causing that problem, or if you're concerned that it's going on for longer than that, or they seem to be really uncomfortable or really distressed, then you should be getting in touch with your vet as soon as you notice something's wrong. There are though some steps that you can take at home to reduce the impact of bleach poisoning in dogs, and the first one of these is to rinse your dog's mouth, their coat, with plenty of water. Just rinse it with lots and lots of tap water or put them in the bath, and you can also use a little bit of dish soap just to get rid of that bleach and stop it burning your dog. Also encouraging them to drink water to dilute that bleach that's inside them that they've already consumed, and even adding some milk to that as well can just help to dilute and lessen the impact of the bleach. A big thing we think about with poisons is to actually make your dog sick, but you must never make your dog sick if they've drunk bleach. The reason for this is that when it's coming back up, it will also burn the esophagus, and the esophagus is really sensitive to this kind of thing and is very, very difficult to treat and manage. So never make your dog sick. Instead, get them to drink lots of water. Try milk. If they're not going to drink water, you can add tuna juice as well or something to make it tasty, and really just encourage your dog to drink plenty. And of course, the best thing we can do is to prevent poisoning in the first place. So to do this, just keep your dog shut away while you're using any bleach products. Clean up any spills promptly so that they're not left lying around for your dog to lap up. And also just keep your bleach products out of the way in cupboards, up high shelves, that kind of thing, so that your dog can't get access to them and there's no chance of them chewing up any bottles containing bleach. And if you want to know what other common food and household poisons that you need to avoid are for your dog, then make sure you check out the video on screen now. But until next time, I'm Dr. Alex. This is Our Pets Health, because they're family.